squid.
I hate name. Not a name.
Yeah, spill.
Spill? Now tell us what needs to be done. Table. Please don't pass that in front of me. You're not one here already. Alright, so it's game time, people.
One for you. One for you. So it's called spill. So you usually take in turns, pouring the water in this, and you have to pour and pour and pour. And the first person it runs over from, and then all. Watch your
That wicked is.
Alright,
Here we go.
so how it go now? So me just throw in some and then stop and then she throw in
And
some and some.
right, you just take turns.
Until your heart content.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Any what you want.
Alright.
Me say,
Ready?
So from when I say go, we just rest up
Just take. No, one person first. So we start it first.
one person and next person.
Yes.
One person, next person.
so you have to tell him when to stop.
No.
No,
Please
you can
stop.
show at any amount you want.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's just not for run over. Okay.
Yeah.
Right, but it's have to be one person because if we pour at the same time, we don't know who it's spilling.
Yeah.
I got you.
So you can start.
Start? We can't see what one because then when you see the cup them are you know me I say but wait, it's called spill.
Wicked.
That's not even possible, yo. Just for you, sir.
Ah.
You win.
I won this week
You
because
win, people.
you see, I'm have the master trick with the fingers and the wrist. You know how to choke it.
You're really hey. I want to name Dashwood. Action.
No problem. May I come leave now, yeah? So, next time?
Yeah.
Alright.
A little bit more. Rolling. Action.
Bombokla.
Oh my god!
Action. Wagwan Super Blocks.
It's gonna be a formal.
Please let me catch it so I get enough to start off. I forget it today.
I forget now what?
Oh, you forget.
Got it! Got it!
Action. Rolling. Action.
Wagwan Super.
God have mercy upon us.
You see. Sean, look at me, Sean. A sheep was class.